Hey guys! So welcome back to our channel. My name is Angel.
And I'm Ariana.
So today our topics will be about terrarium.
So due to this COVID pandemic, a lot of you are not able to hang out with friends, go makan. So you need to find a new hobby, right? So in GPS, we have a new hobby suggestion for you, which is terrarium planting. So why terrarium is getting more and more popular is because they are cute, petite, and you can place it anywhere at your home. And the most importantly is that they are very low in maintenance.
You can take care of it very well even though you have a black thumb. And you just have to water it whenever the soil is dry and provide indirect lighting. This is so simple, right?
So terrarium can come in many sizes, shapes and designs, so it's up to your own creativity and imaginations. You can create your terrarium according to many themes, for example forest theme, jungle theme or ocean themes.
Here's the sample of our fountain design terrarium. By adding some pandas, bunnies into it, can bring the life and beauty of a terrarium.
So now let's talk about the budgets of terrarium. If you're looking for an affordable one, then you can look for a simple terrarium. However, if you're looking for a fancy type of terrarium, then you can opt for a bigger and more plants type of terrarium. So don't worry, if you are just a student, you can still afford it. So apart from our terrariums, we also offer succulent and cactus bowl. Here at GPS, we have over 100 varieties for you to choose from, and we even have the rare types. So for this type of bowls, you can actually choose succulent or cactus of different height
to add some color and also to give a different feel of layering. You can even add figurines to make your bowl look more lively.
So guys, if you are interested in making your own terrarium, you can purchase our DIY set in our Shopee, or if you do not know where to start, you can always contact us for more.
You can go to our Shopee store and browse for DIY kit. Then you will see our terrarium DIY set. We do attach a guidance video clip to show you the steps.
Oh yeah guys, we do conduct virtual workshop as well that can accommodate a small class of 15 packs to a big class of 100 packs.
During our workshop, we will guide you every steps of the way and share with you the caring tips after the workshop.
We've come to the end of the video. We hope that you enjoyed the video and you have found your new hobby. Till then, take care and see you guys. Bye!